Hey, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. Alexander, thank you for sending me the email requesting some custom video analysis. Welcome to the TrendLizard community. I'm glad you're here. I'm here to help you. I know this is a pretty crazy market, pretty scary market for a lot of people. It's really tanked in the month of October, and it certainly has a lot of people on their toes. So I am here to help you, and I'm glad you're part of our community, and I will do everything I can to make sure that we can navigate this market and make it out clean on the other side. So the first one that you sent me was QQQ, obviously the Nasdaq ETF, very popular ETF, and we're going to take a look at it from its inception and work all the way into what is happening right now. So it was incepted back in late 1998. It underwent a massive decline here. Obviously, this was the initial bear market back in 2000, where the whole market tanked here. It completed the first down leg in late 2002, staged a nice recovery, and then tanked again in 2008 and 2009, again, obviously, alongside the overall market. Since then, it has been in a massive bull market that has taken it from about 25 up to just shy of 190, I think, in August or September of this year. So basically, always what we're looking for in Elliott wave is we're looking for two types of patterns. We're looking for 3-wave moves and 5-wave moves. So the pullback that took place off the 2000 high into the 2009 low was a big counter trend 3-wave move. That's obvious now that the market has taken off to the upside. So that is a bullish thing. That obviously equated to a bullish thing. It kicked off this massive 5-wave advance. So that has been obviously a great and bullish ride. The problem now is that this advance off the 2009 low looks like a 5-wave move, and once 5-wave moves complete, it ends, and then something else happens to the downside, very likely a very large 3-wave pullback. So certainly this should have people interested in what's happening here to determine is the bull market over? Did it put in a high here in 2018? Or are we not quite there? So let's keep diving in and see what the charts tell us here. We're going to zoom in and just look at this advance here off the 2015 low on the triple Qs. So here we go. Zoom in on this guy. This is the low that happened here. Off that low, it's been in another strong trendy advance. Every move to the upside has been a 5-wave move. Every internal move has been a nice trendy move. It's been a very straight shot since about 2016. Things have gotten a little funky here in 2018, but from what I'm seeing, it does not look like this is a major high. So it looks like it is getting later in the game. It does look like it's in the 4th wave of a 5-wave advance off the 2015 low. Obviously, it's been a pretty sharp move off of this high, but basically the support area for this pullback here is shown in yellow, and it runs from about 130 up to about 153. The interesting thing about this area around 153, not only is it the top of a very natural support area, but it's also the support from these lows right here. It's very common for a larger 4th wave pullback to find support at the previous 4th wave pullback, as is here. So it does look like QQQ is under is going to head lower. There's some reason to think that it's going to head lower, especially after today's big reversal down. But I don't think it's the end of the world like it might feel like at this point. Let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more and just take a look at this 2018 action. Here's what happened. It had that smaller 4th wave pullback that I was telling you about in early 2018. Off of that low, it traced out a trendy 5-wave advance into August high, chopped around a bit, and then it's really tanked, like I said, in October. So here's what we're looking for. I do think that there's additional weakness ahead. It may last a day or two. We get another bar like this, and it's testing these lows right here as well as this yellow support area. But I don't think this is the end. I think we're going to get a pretty nice snapback fairly soon, and you're going to see this guy turn back up, and it's going to be a buying opportunity as the large 5th wave advance, zoom back out again, the large 5th wave advance plays out to the upside. That could lead to the bull market high. So I think it's obviously pretty kind of walking on eggshells here as we get closer, but I don't think it's at the high yet. I think we're going to see another big up leg once this sharp down leg ends. And again, it could end somewhere around 153 right in this area. Again, the support goes all the way down to 130, but I don't know if it'll get that far. We will see. Here's what you're looking for. If you get a reversal upward that breaks above 171, that's going to be a pretty solid sign that this pullback has ended, and I think that's your buying opportunity there. I wouldn't touch it until you see some kind of snapback and some kind of reversal. just because, again, it can move quite a bit lower. It has the potential to anyway before it ends. So the key level to be watching is 171. That's your buying level. After that, you'd put a stop near the low that's left behind and just trail it from there and ride QQQ up as it gives us the next large advance, which will be a fifth wave. So I hope that's helpful. I've got two more tickers that you sent to me, and I'll get to those momentarily. Thanks.